You've seen the ads, miracle creams, detox drinks, even 7-day glow challenges that promise flawless skin overnight. But here's the truth: your skin doesn't transform in days. Quick fixes don't work. And in some cases, they can even make things worse. In this video, we're cutting through the marketing noise and revealing the real secrets to glowing, youthful skin. If you've ever felt frustrated spending money on products that don't deliver, battling acne breakouts, dealing with dryness, or noticing wrinkles sooner than you'd like, you're not alone. The truth is, healthy skin doesn't come from a miracle serum. It comes from the inside out, from how you eat, sleep, move, and care for yourself daily. So here's what we'll cover. 1. Why quick fixes fail and what your skin actually needs. 2. The hidden enemies silently sabotaging your skin. 3. The foods and nutrients that fuel real glow from within. 4. The lifestyle habits that make or break your complexion. 5. And finally, the myths that keep people stuck in bad routines. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build skin-friendly habits that deliver lasting results. Why quick fixes fail? Let's start with the myth of quick fixes. Your skin renews itself in cycles of 28 to 40 days. That's right, about a month for your skin cells to turn over. Expecting overnight results is like planting a seed and demanding fruit the next day. It's just not possible. Instead of chasing instant creams, detox drinks, or 3-day challenges, commit to consistent routines that align with your skin's natural cycle. Give changes at least 6 to 8 weeks to show up on your face. When you work with your skin's biology instead of against it, results last and you won't be trapped in the endless cycle of disappointment. The real enemies of skin. So what's really sabotaging your skin's glow? It's not a lack of the latest serum. The real culprits are internal: oxidative stress, chronic inflammation, and lifestyle damage. Oxidative stress. Think of it like rust forming inside your body. Free radicals, unstable molecules from pollution, processed food, stress, and UV rays damage collagen, leading to wrinkles and sagging. Chronic inflammation. Triggers acne flare-ups, redness, eczema, and skin sensitivity. Poor lifestyle choices. Smoking, alcohol, sugar overload, and lack of sleep all accelerate aging at the cellular level. Your job is to minimize these enemies. That means better food choices, stress reduction, sun protection, and quality sleep. When you target the true causes of skin damage, your complexion clears up naturally, and you notice fewer breakouts, less redness, and smoother texture. If you're ready to unlock healthy, glowing skin from the inside out, hit that subscribe button. Each week, we share science-backed wellness tips you won't hear in beauty ads, simple habits that actually work. Food as skincare, inside-out glow. Here's the secret: your kitchen is your real skincare cabinet. Think of every meal as skincare from the inside out. The nutrients you eat literally build your skin cells, collagen, and protective barriers. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and protect collagen. Leafy greens, spinach, kale. Vitamins A and C boost cell renewal and repair sun damage. Avocados and nuts. Rich in healthy fats to keep your skin plump, hydrated, and soft. Carrots and sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene that converts into vitamin A, guarding against UV damage. Tomatoes. Lycopene acts like an internal sunscreen, reducing sunburn risk. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, omega-3s reduce inflammation and keep skin supple. Green tea. Catechins improve elasticity and hydration. Every bite is skincare. Within weeks, these foods begin building stronger, more radiant skin from within. Hydration. The overlooked glow factor. Want an instant glow boost? Hydrate. Your skin is 64% water. Dehydration is like a grape turning into a raisin. Cells shrink, fine lines deepen, and your glow fades. Drink water consistently throughout the day. Add water-rich foods like cucumber, watermelon, and oranges. Soups and herbal teas count too. When hydrated, skin cells plump up, fine lines soften, and your face regains its natural radiance. No expensive serum required. Your skin's silent saboteur. Want to know your skin's biggest hidden enemy? Sugar. Sugar binds to collagen and elastin, creating molecules called AGE's advanced glycation end products. Think of it as caramelizing your skin from the inside. Cut back on sodas, pastries, and processed snacks. Replace them with fruits, nuts, or dark chocolate in moderation. Reducing sugar does more for wrinkle prevention than any $100 cream ever could. Gut health and the skin connection. Here's a surprising truth. Your skin and gut are best friends. It's called the gut-skin axis. When your gut is inflamed or imbalanced, it shows up as acne, rosacea, or eczema. Add probiotics. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. Feed gut bacteria with prebiotics. Onions, garlic, bananas, oats. Heal your gut, and your skin calms down, breakouts reduce, and your overall glow improves. Lifestyle habits that transform skin. Now let's talk about the habits that matter most. Your daily routines impact your skin more than any serum. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone that repairs skin. Skip sleep, and cortisol spikes, causing breakouts and dark circles. Stress management. Stress hormones like cortisol fuel acne and oiliness. Manage stress through yoga, meditation, breathwork, or even daily walks. Exercise. Movement boosts blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin. Think of it as an internal facial. Sun protection. SPF 30 daily. The #1 anti-aging tool. Sunlight in small doses is good for vitamin D, but too much damages collagen and DNA. Simple skincare. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. Add extras like vitamin C or retinol if needed, but consistency beats complexity. When you combine these habits, your skin becomes more resilient, radiant, and ageless over time. Busting common skincare myths. Finally, let's clear up the myths keeping people stuck. Detox teas don't clear skin. Your liver already detoxes. Expensive creams aren't always better. Ingredients matter, not price. Oily skin still needs moisturizer. Dehydration actually triggers more oil. With the right knowledge, you save money and focus only on what actually works. Empowering takeaway. So here's the bottom line. The real secret to glowing skin isn't in a bottle. It's in your choices. Nourish from within, hydrate, sleep deeply, manage stress, move daily, and protect your skin with sunscreen. This week, pick one skin-friendly habit to start. Maybe swap soda for green tea, add berries to breakfast, or commit to 8 hours of sleep. Now I want to hear from you. Which habit are you starting today? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to know. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who wants better skin, and subscribe to Nourish_N_Flourish for more natural health strategies. And before you go, check out the next video on Heal Your Gut Naturally, a beginner's guide. Because true radiance starts deeper than your skin.